Hello guys, it's time to make another video. I think you're going to like this one, and I hope I don't make any boo-boos along the way myself. I don't do this very often. Alright, let's go new. And I have a piece laying around that's 60 inches by 10, okay? Alright, it's still 3 centimeters. And, okay. Alright. What we're going to do today is we're going to go over here to where it says Profile Machining. And we have line, rectangle, custom. Right now I'm just going to talk about line. Okay. So I'm going to make a profile that is 48 inches long. Remember that. Okay. And I'm going to come back to some of these things. I'm going to go to change profile. First of all, let's take a tool, right? We want the disk. Change profile. And I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to make a line from here, 1.181. Okay. Zoom all, let's minimize that. Okay, a little bit more. Then I'm going to go this way, 1 inch. Yeah, alright, 1 inch. Then I'm going to go another 6. Then I'll go another inch. So it's 8 inches, right? And then we're going to come down 1.181. Okay. And let's blow this up. Okay, what we're going to do, I'm going to make a little radius in here. So with the blade, we're going to make a profile. So let's make a line from the middle of this line. We'll go down 3/4 of an inch, okay? Then we're going to make an arc from the end of there to the end of here to the end of there. Then we're going to delete that, this, and this, okay? Alright, now you have to define an origin point for the profile. It must be the top and it must be the right side. So over here, move origin, boom. Very good. That's it. So again, you draw any profile you want, okay? Hit OK. Alright, there's my profile right there, okay? Okay, what the step is, the saw blade's going to saw, step over, and saw, right? So, kind of depends on the finish you're looking to get. Just for this example, I'm just going to put a 1/4 inch. Step mode is horizontal. I'll come back to that in a little bit. Secondary data. Exit distance. After it saws, how much do you want the z-axis to retract? Just a little bit. Okay, let's just go 0.1. Step distance. You want to have this at least what the profile equaled. We want 3/4, right? So that should be fine. All right. So that's all I'm going to do right now. All right. Now there's my profile, but it's not on the part. What do? You come over here, and remember it was 48 inches long, and our slab was like 60. I'll just move it over 50 inches. And then on the Y, I'm going to move it up 9. All right, so it's on the material, right? That's it. You're done. build, ISO, compile, view, isometric. So you can get a little bit better view of this, and let's play. Alright, so we're at Y1. See, there's a 1/4 inch. That was our step, right? 1 1/2, 1 3/4, 2. See, the z-axis is starting to go down now. See that? 0.3. Alright, so you get the idea. This is going to go back and forth, and then the z-axis, when it gets more than 50%, the z-axis will start raising. Okay? But I want to do something else. I want to go to machining. I want to go edit machining. Okay. So, this step mode, horizontal, vertical, okay. Build, ISO, compile, view, isometric. Let's fade that a little bit. Play. Starts in the center. So see, it goes down. See the depth? So it went down, and then it comes up. Okay, so you want to use either on profile or horizontal. What I've learned is on profile seems to do the same thing as horizontal. Maybe there's a situation that I'll want to use specifically on profile, but I haven't found that yet. So for what I've done so far, these two seem to give me the same result. Okay? All right. Reverse, it'll just start from the other end of the part. Okay? Now, let's go over here to secondary data. Brushing. And let's set a depth of 0.4. Okay? Look here. You don't want that. Right? You want it on top. And the angle is 90 degrees. Right? You don't want some other angle. See, there's the saw blade. That's not going to work. You don't want that. Okay, so we got brushing turned on. Hit OK. Build, ISO, compile, view, isometric, fade, and let's play. Alright, there we go. I should have put a bigger step over just for the sake of simulation. Alright, so just be patient. Let this run for a minute. All right. Where are we? We're at Y 6 1/2, 6 3/4. All right, we're getting there. So I'm hoping right now your wheels are turning and thinking about all the beautiful things that you can cut now on your Cut 600. Alright, there's the brushing. 48, Alright, look at the distance on the X, 46.4. See, my step over was 0.4. I don't know. I really don't know what a good step over would be. I don't think, it depends on how deep the blade goes into it. So you'd have to basically calculate the chord that you would want. But I don't think many people want to sit there and figure that out. So let's start with a smaller number, like maybe 10 millimeters or something like that. About what I had. 0.393 would be 10 millimeters. So there's the brushing. So that should get rid of all the steps, the lines. Well, let me go back one more time to edit machining. Let's just review what we did. Edit machining. Okay, so it was 48 inches long, correct? And when I built the profile, we knew it was 8 inches. So you got to keep track of your drawing, obviously. Okay. Step over. You're going to leave this at horizontal or on profile. You're going to select your tool. I can change profile again. Edit something if I needed to, right? Secondary data. Exit distance. Again, when the x-axis gets to the end of its stroke, it lifts up 0.1. I'll come back to these on another time because I'm not sure about vertical tool correction just yet. And I hope you like this video and think of some good things to make. Good night.